Hi guys, this is a question based on Jenner regulator concept. So basically, in this question, what they have asked is a Jenner regulator in the figure is to be designed to meet the specification. The given specification for this regulator circuit is IL, that is the load current, is 10 milliampere. V output is equals to 10 volt. Okay, so V output should be equals to 10 volt. Okay, now they have varied V input as 30 volt to 50 volt. That is, they are much interested in line regulation. Okay, so they have varied V input as 30 volt to 50 volt. Okay, now they have given the knee current, that is the Jenner minimum current, to make the Jenner operated in the breakdown region as 1 milliampere. That is IZ knee is given as 1 milliampere. Now they are asking for satisfactorily to operate this Jenner in satisfactory mode, or for satisfactory operation, what will be the value of R? R is this. Okay, so in this question we will have to deal with this Jenner diode, simple Jenner regulator circuit, through which you will have to say that what will be the conditions of, what will be the value of this current limiting resistor R, so that this Jenner diode will be in the safe mode, works in the same mode, or it will work satisfactorily. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ये समझते हैं कि आखिर इस कंडीशन को हम लोग डिराइव कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, as we know that this will be the supply current IS, this will be the load current IL, which is already given in the circuit, this will be the Jenner current IZ. So you can apply KCL here. What you will get by applying KCL there is IS will be equals to IZ plus IL. Okay, now what will be the Jenner current through this? It will be equals to IS, that is the line current, minus of load current. Okay, now as we know that for satisfactory operation, that is for satisfactory operation of the Jenner diode, what you will need is that Jenner diode current should be greater than equals to IZ knee. This is the first condition of Jenner diode to work as a satisfactorily work as a regulator. Okay, so what you will get here is that IZ minimum should be equals to, like there will some current, like IZ minimum should be equals to at least IZK, so that this regulator will work as a satisfactory mode. In satisfactory mode, that is, the circuit will not get hampered, the diode will remain intact, and the voltage across the load will be constant. This is the operation and function of this Jenner diode operator. Okay, so what will be IZ mean? Should be equals to, if you want IZ mean, then you will have to calculate IS mean minus I load max. But here the load current is constant, so it is constant. Okay, now how you can calculate the IS mean? IS mean, for IS mean you will have to take the minimum voltage supplied, that is the minimum unregulated voltage supplied. This side is unregulated voltage side, this side is the regulated voltage side. Okay, so what will be IS mean? It will be equals to 30 minus of this voltage, that is the drop across at this node. What is this drop? This is 10 volt, it is already given, that is Jenner voltage drop, by R, minus what is the load current given? Load current is already given as 10 milliampere, IZ mean, and this IZ mean should be greater than equal to IZ knee for the satisfactory operation of this Zener diode. So this is a very simple condition. If you want to solve any question related to normal voltage regulator, you just don't need to remember anything. You just need this equation and this condition. Okay, simple. You need not to remember anything. So what you will get from here is that 30 minus 10 is 20 by R minus 10 milliampere should be greater than equals to IZ knee. What IZ knee is given as 1 milliampere. Okay, so it will be 1 milliampere. Okay, so from here what you will get, 20 by R, it should be greater than equals to 11 milliampere. Okay, that is 20 should be greater than equals to 11 milliampere into R. Okay, now what will be R? If this greater than equals to this, so you can write it as less than equals to 20 by 11 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. So what you will get from this is that 20, it will be as 1818.18 ohm. So for satisfactorily operation of this circuit, the resistance of this value resistor should be less than equals to 18.18 ohm. So as per the option, you will go with this option as it is less than or equals to 1800, nearby options. So these type of question, you need not to remember anything, just remember the conditions for the operations of any Zener regulator.